Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shams Fatima from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. So today I'm going to speak about extendable hashing from the subject file structures. So the contents are extendable hashing, expandable and dynamic hashing, virtual hashing and the summary. Hash functions for extendable hashing. Standard hashing works on fixed file size. So, have you ever thought what happens if we add or delete many keys? What if the file size changes significantly? Then we will develop separate techniques. These are of two types, directories and the directory less schemes. Extendable hashing. Keys stored in the buckets, each bucket can easily hold a fixed size of items. Items in an extendable table. H of x hashes a key value x to a bitmap. Only a portion of a bitmap is used to build a directory. So here is an example which represents the extendable hashing. H of k to the with n value will have 11011. You can here add the new key or delete the new key in the following table. Hash function for extendable hashing. Directory schemes. Extendable hashing, expandable hashing, dynamic hashing. Directory-less schemes consist of virtual hashing. Extendable hashing. The size of a bucket is equal to max hash of pseudo key 3 in our example. Once the bucket is full, split the bucket into two. Two situations will be possible here. Directory remains of the same size. Adjust pointer to a bucket. The second point, size the directory grows from the 2 to the power k to 2 to the power k plus 1. That is, the directory size can be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. 8 is shown in the figure. The number of the bucket will remain the same. That is, some references will point to the same bucket. Finally, one bucket can use bitmap to build the index but store an actual key in the bucket. Extendable hashing uses use as much as space as needed. Input the file name hash of words to insert use bucket size as 128. Use any function h of k that returns the string of the bitmap of up to 32 bits. Integer type can be used. Bucket char array. Char is nothing but the character. Main idea is that only the first bit of the mask are used for searching part. Assume that a hashing technique is applied to a dynamically changing file composed of buckets, and each bucket can hold only a fixed number of items. Extendable hashing accesses the data stored into the buckets indirectly through an index that is dynamically adjusted to reflect changes in the file. The characteristic features of extendable hashing is the organization of the indexes, which is an expandable table. A hashing function applied to a certain key indicates a position in the index and not in the file or tables or the keys. Values returned by such a hash function are called as pseudo keys. The file required no reorganization when the data are added to or deleted from it. Since these changes are indicated in the index, only one hash function h can be used, but depending on the size of the index, only a portion of the added h of k is utilized. A simple way to achieve this effect is by looking at the address into the string of the bits from which only the I leftmost bit can be used. The number I is the depth of the directory. Here in the picture, the depth of the directory is equal to 2. H of k here consists of 11, 00 and 1. H of k in the second figure consists of 00, 00 and 1. So this is an example for extendable hashing. Expandable and dynamic hashing. Expandable hashing is the similar idea to an extendable hashing, but binary tree is used to store an index of the bucket. Dynamic hashing, multiple binary trees are used and the outcome is to shorten the search. Based on the key, select what tree is to be searched. So let's have a look what is dynamic hashing. Larson method. Index is simplified to be represented as a set of binary tree. Height of each tree is limited. H of x, that is nothing but the hashing function, is searched in all the trees. Time is m tree. K keys in each maximum. Overall is m into log k. The advantage is shorter search time in each index file. So let's have a look what is virtual hashing. It is given by the name of the scientist Litwin. Litwin's virtual hashing. Expand buckets in a linear fashion. Store them continuously in the memory. No table is needed. The procedure is very simple. So let's look into the summary part of today's topic, extendable hashing and its advantages. Initially, allocated space can increase indefinitely. Location of a bucket where key belongs require only a very fast bit comparison. Very flexible in choosing the size of the bucket and allows their storage on the disk and the remote memory access. Let's have a look at the disadvantages. Increase algorithm complexity, extra memory overhead to store the index inside the bucket. I hope you got some information from my video. If you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. See you guys in the next session. Bye guys.